Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton. I've been sifting around the shelves these last few weeks because I've not been around, but I found some absolutely corking items back in stock. So let's take a look. So first up this week we've got the Amal 900 long. That's the Velocity Stack Ram Pipe 900 Series Mark 1, and that is £45.92 including VAT. Next is part number 067367, that's the camshaft PW3 Commando with lube pack as well. That is £478.80 including VAT. The crankcase breather kit for the 1971-72 Commando, that's part number 132025, is £29.94. And finally this week, the gearbox service kit for the outer cover, seals, gasket and drain plug and washers, but not for the 850 Mark III, is £2.16 including VAT. And as always, don't forget, if there's any item that you can't find in stock on the website, you can set yourself a reminder which will send you an email when that item comes back in stock. There's a really simple process to go through. There's a link to a video in the section below which will tell you all about how to do it. And if there is anything else that you do need and we don't stock it, give the guys in the technical team a call and they'll be happy to help you out. But until next time, safe riding.